Today I'm going to be talking about social media growth, in particular, Facebook. According to Smart Insights, the number of social media users worldwide as of 2018 is just about 3 billion, up to 13% year on year. According to Silver 2012, more information has been generated in the last 2 years than the sum total of all information throughout all recorded history up until 2 years ago. So as you can tell, social media today is growing like crazy. So which of these social media sites is taking over? Yep, you guessed it, it's Facebook. As of December of 2018, there are over 2 billion Facebook users, and 1.5 billion are considered active users, which means they use Facebook every single day. It is the number one most used social media site, and that's according to Zephoria. So what makes Facebook so popular? Well, as put by the Introduction to Media Literacy, it provides easy-to-use platforms to create and share messages. It is a social media site for everyone, young, old, and everyone in between, and very user-friendly. Has a great source of information, not just having pictures of friends, but news as well. There's great entertainment, including photos, videos, and games, and more. You can reconnect with old friends, and they have a great security system that allows protection over your profile and avoids any adult content as they filter through it. This is all according to Tech Notification. As you take a glimpse at this graph, you can definitely tell that Facebook is the most used by Americans today, and this is as of 2018, and according to Smart Insights. So you might ask, is it becoming a part of us? Well, like the Guide to Media Literacy says, exposure is growing at a rapid rate of 37% per year, and that's just on computers. It really is an extremely important part of our everyday lives. If we're not careful, this could be our future. Or is it happening to us right now? Thank you for listening.